Hey, it's Rick White from 180 Biz here. I just have a thought that I wanted to share with you. Last night, when I was with one of our coaching groups, I asked a super simple question. How many of you have business cards with you right now? And only one person raised their hand, and it was me. I want to instill upon you as a business owner, it is critical for you to have business cards with you. Super simple. Have a business card with you all the time. Why do you want to do that? Because you may meet somebody and you want to continue a conversation. You may run into somebody that wants to do work with you. You may run into somebody that's a potential hire where you were just blown away with the way they worked or treated you and your family, whatever the case is. The thing is, if you don't have a card, it's a missed opportunity. Now, I got a couple things, but Rick, I put them in my pocket and they get all bent and everything. Buy a case. Look, you buy a case and it keeps the cards nice and safe, and it's no problem. It's right there. So I think this was $10 on Amazon. And here's the other thing. We're starting to use electronic cards. This is amazing. I can actually take your smartphone, right? You hold your smartphone, I put my card on it, and it gives you my contact info. If you have NFC turned on, don't ask me what NFC stands for. Now, if you don't have the NFC option turned on, then you have the person scan this QR code and they get all our contact info. And it's cool because I have links to our Facebook page and blog and the videos, our YouTube channel, all of it's right there. So we're using this more and more, but you still need business cards. And do me a favor, make sure you use both sides, right? This one here on this side, what we're doing is this is for our free Shop Owner Roundtable, second Thursday of each month. So, tip for the day, keep some business cards with you at all times. This literally is with me every single day. When I go traveling on a trip, I keep this in my pocket, and then I have additional cards in my backpack so that I can restock this when I need to. Super simple. Keep business cards with you, man. It's business 101. All right. Have a great day. Go make some money. I'll see you later. Bye bye.